Here's a sneak peek of trying a new design. It's called the Kiss Pour. Hi soapy friends, it's Steph from Micas and More. Here's the inspiration pick for a new scent, tobacco flower. Here I have the tussa silk dissolved in the lye water, and I add it to my melted oils. Then I stick blend until it reaches a light trace. I use the large Spoonula to clean off my stick blender. I'll add the fragrance oil. It has spicy tobacco flower notes, black peppercorn, orchid, and tonka. And then I stir it in well. My first color is Gold Shimmer Mica. I mix half a teaspoon in a little bit of oil. I add a half cup of soap and I mix it well with a small Spoonula. My second color is Pear Green Mica. I mix with the same ratio. The rest of the soap gets colored with white satin mica. I use this rather than titanium dioxide because it mixes so well in soap and it gives a little bit of shimmer. And now my soap mold. It's the Tall Skinny Mini. I add some white satin mica to each color and then I pour together so that the streams touch, or as the name implies, they kiss. I add the rest of the white satin mica and finish the pour. While this is not something I came up with, it was a lot of fun to try. I add a little gold shimmer mica in oil to the top and then I swirl it with a toothpick. One last look before I put this one to bed. And here's the cut soap. I think next time I'll use colors that contrast a little better, but I like how it turned out. If you'd like to find out about the supplies I used here, you can join my Facebook group, Steph's Micas and More. Or you can order the supplies online at micasandmore.com. Thanks for watching.